Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking at a logical question now. So the question is, if x plus x comma y belongs to R and y not equal to 0, solve x plus y plus x by y equal to 1 by 2, x plus y into x by y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem? So here, x and y is there and x by y is there. So here, let us take x plus y is equal to a, and x by y is equal to b. So here, if you take LCM, you won't get the answer. So here we will get some difficulty. So we are taking x plus y equal to a and x by y equal to b. Now the first equation will become a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. And the second equation will become ab is equal to minus 1 by 2. From this you can write b is equal to minus 1 by 2a. b is equal to minus 1 by 2a. Now replace this b value here. So a minus 1 by 2a is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you take the LCM, 2a is the LCM. So here 2a square minus 1 is equal to 2. Now here if you cross multiply 2a square minus 1 is equal to 4a. That implies 2a square okay here 1 by 2 I made mistake 1 by 2. If you take cross multiplication, 4a square minus 2 is equal to 2a. So here if you take 2 common, 2a square minus a minus 1 equal to 0. 2a square minus a minus 1 equal to 0. So here you will find the factors. 2a square minus 2a plus a minus 1 equal to 0. So taking 2a common, a minus 1 plus 1 into a minus 1 equal to 0. So a minus 1 into a minus 1 into 2a plus 1 equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 or minus 1 by 2. Now we will do so case 1 here if you take b value, if you substitute this b value here, b is equal to minus 1 by 2a. If you substitute b in this a value, you will get b value minus 1 by 2 or 1 b value will be minus 1 by 2 or 1. Okay, now case 1 a value 1, b value minus 1 by 2. So here what is a value? X plus y. X plus y is equal to 1. B value x by y is equal to minus 1 by 2. From this you can write 2x is equal to minus y. Or you can write 2x plus y is equal to 0. So now we will solve x plus y is equal to 1. Now if you subtract these two, y get cancelled, x is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, y value will be 2. So if you substitute here x value minus 1 plus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 1, y is equal to 2 will get. So here x comma y will get the solution minus 1 comma 2. So if you take case 2, so here in case 2, a value minus 1 by 2, b value 1 now. So what is a? X plus y is equal to minus 1 by 2, x by y is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to y. Now replace this value here. 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to minus 1 by 4, y also minus 1 by 4. Why? Because x and y are equal. So here the second solution x comma y is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So therefore the solution x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 2 minus 1 by 4 comma minus 1 by 4. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.